Ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how to build and price your C8 Z06 Corvette, even though it's not available on the Chevy website yet. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. I want to thank you if you're brand new to the channel for pressing that play button, and also thank you to my thumbs up squad for already smashing that thumbs up button. I hugely appreciate each and every one of you. Now if you are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, please consider joining by smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Alright, let's jump into this video. It's really cool and I can't wait to show you this. All right, so as you can see, I'm on the Chevrolet website and I wanted to show you this first. Let's go to performance. And as you can see, they do have the Z06 right here and they have build and price. So let's click on that. And then we're gonna go to 2023. They've got the Trailblazer, the Traverse, and the 23 Stingray, but no Z06. So this is not where you're able to build and price. I just wanted to make that crystal clear for everyone right off the bat, so do not head over to the Chevrolet website. Let me show you where to go. So of course, I am on the Mid-Engine Corvette forum, and check this out. We have a slider here, and on the fourth slider, it says Z06 pricing spreadsheet thanks to HVP. So we're gonna click on that. We're gonna scroll down to here, and we're going to open up this link. Once that's open, you're going to want to follow these instructions exactly what they say to do. So it says click the file and make a copy. Once you've made a copy, the spreadsheet now lives on your personal Google Drive account. From here, adjust the sales tax to your local percent, and you can start to select options to see the totals add up. You can use the drop-down box to go between the different configurations of 1LZ through 3LZ on both coupe and convertible. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to File, Make a Copy, hit Make a Copy, and it's gonna bring up my own copy of this. Now we can go up to this and do a drop-down, obviously. And of course, all of this will be linked in the description below. That way, all you have to do is click on those and go right to this and do the instructions, and you will have this on your own computer. Okay, so 1LZ is 106,395. And if we go ahead and type in the correct state income tax, which is, state sales tax, 6.25, and I'm guessing the gas guzzler is going to be in the 2,000 range, maybe 2,400, but we'll go ahead and put 3,000. Now we have a 109 after gas guzzler and 116 price after sales tax. But obviously we're building a 2LZ, so we're going to go down to 2LZ coupe. It's already jumped up to 126,000, and then we're going to personalize it from there and show you exactly how this works. All right, next thing I want to do is I want the front lift. So look at that, popped it up to 128. Next thing I'm gonna pick is the bright red painted calipers. And that's it for this section. Now we're gonna go to the dealer installed. So I didn't see anything in this area here that I wanted. I'm going to go through it one more quick time and just make sure that there's nothing in there that I wanted. Oh, there is right here. Dark Stealth Cross Flags emblem front and rear. I do want that. And then I want the black exhaust tips. As you can see, it's going up. Now also, I'm going to pick Z07 package, which requires you to pick either this package or this package. This is carbon flash, this is carbon fiber. I'm gonna pick the carbon fiber. Next, we're gonna go to interior trim, and I'm gonna pick the torch red seat belts. And also I am going to pick the stage 1 carbon fiber on the cluster surround, console, door switch plates, and also where you change the drive modes. Also, I'm going to pick the two-tone seats, the Z07 package. Look at that, 153 so far. Also the GT2 seats. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick the black forged aluminum wheels. That's a really good deal, $500 and you get really nice wheels. The other package that I missed up here is the stealth interior trim package, dark finish aluminum. I want that on there as well. And so I guess the only other thing that I do not see on here, and if you guys find it on here, please let me know where it's at, but that is the cross member brace that goes on the engine. It's a carbon fiber cross brace. It looks phenomenal. I really want that. I found the engine appearance package, which is right here for $9.95, but I do not see the cross member brace. Maybe I just have not seen it and it really is here, or they just didn't put it in here for some reason. But other than that, I think this tool is absolutely phenomenal. I wanted to show it to you guys. As you can see, there is my total. It was $144,370 before the gas guzzler tax. That puts it up to $147,370, and then with the 6.25% sales tax, I'm looking at a total of $156,580.63 for my brand new 2023 C8 Z06. So I hope you enjoyed this, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not been able to go on here and build it already, I hope this informed you and you are going to do it for yourself now to find out exactly how much your Z06 is going to cost. This is an amazing tool. Thank you to HVP for putting this out there. Thank you to the Mid-Engine Corvette Forum for posting this a few days ago. We hugely appreciate that forum. If you haven't joined that forum, you should definitely do so. They're totally different than the Corvette forum. You will never, ever once get any kind of hate or any kind of criticism for putting any kind of question you want on there. They are all inviting of whatever kind of questions you have. Consider joining them. Ladies and gentlemen, again, please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments below. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys out on the road.